The next item that we have over here is to understand the market equilibrium. So when do you say that the market is in equilibrium? We say that the market is in equilibrium when the aggregate quantity demanded is equal to your aggregate quantity supplied. Okay, so at the same price level. So the quantity demanded at one price level should be equal to the quantity supplied at the same price level. So how do you get it? Okay, so we are saying that the price level is same. So what we can do is we can equate the price in the aggregate demand and the aggregate supply. So we have a simultaneous equation that we have. So we are saying that this is the price of the, this is your inverse demand function. We are saying that this is your inverse supply function. Okay, what I am saying is the equilibrium is when the price is same. We want to know what the quantity demanded and what the quantity supplied. It will happen that the quantity demanded and supplied will also be same. So at equilibrium the price is equal and the quantity demanded is equal to the quantity supplied. So what we can do is we can equate these two. So price is same, so we are equating the two equation. So we are saying that this is the price of T, 0.00 T plus 0.7, this will be equal to 500.7, right? And we are saying that quantity demand is equal to the supply, so this is equal, so let's say put this as Q. So what we have is, we have this as the equation, so we can put this as a Q, we can put this as a Q, you can bring this here, you can add these two values, so this will be equal to, you can bring this here, right? So your quantity demanded, it becomes equal to 349342 and the price is this. So this is your equilibrium quantity, this is your equilibrium price. So at this price and the quantity level you find that the market is in equilibrium. So see, this was the, when we say market is in equilibrium, this is your demand, this is your supply. Okay, at equilibrium the price and the quantity are same. So that means the quantity demanded is exactly equal to the quantity supplied. Okay, right? Now what we have is, we'll bring the concept of marginal benefit and the marginal cost. So when I say the demand function, first let us try to understand the demand function. This is your demand function. When you want to buy, let's say a quantity, first quantity, this is the price you are willing to pay. Okay, suppose let's say this is the cost that you have. Okay, we are saying that this, the price that you are willing to pay, it is your marginal benefit, that the benefit that you are deriving out of consuming one additional unit. So that is your marginal benefit. Okay, and this is the cost. So here your marginal benefit is more than the cost, so you will consume more and more quantity. So you will start consuming more and more quantity, okay, till the marginal benefit that you are getting is greater than the cost or the marginal cost. You will stop buying when the marginal benefit is equal to the marginal cost. Same thing can be said with respect to the suppliers also. So if this is a supplier, suppliers, this is called as the marginal cost. Okay, so this is the cost to produce one unit, assuming, right? So if they are getting a price of, let's say 10 and it is cost only 2 for them, they will produce. Why? Because they are getting 10 and it's only cost 2 to them, right? So they will produce if the marginal cost is less than the price. The price is less than the, is more than the marginal cost. So this is the price. So they will produce till the price is equal to the marginal cost. The moment the price is equal to the marginal, or when the price is less than the marginal cost, they will not supply. Think over here, let's say if they want to supply 10 quantity, this is the cost, assuming the price is here. So this is the cost, this is the price, they will not supply this. Okay, right? So they will supply till the price is equal to the marginal cost and not beyond it. So this concept, it will bring, okay, the concept of equilibrium. So if you see here, from the consumer point of view, he is paying this price, okay, 1.4. He is deriving this as the benefit. If when he is consuming one quantity, this is the benefit he is deriving and this is the price he is paying. So the benefit he is deriving is more than the price, so he will consume this quantity. He will keep on consuming the quantity till the benefit he is deriving is equal to the price. So here he is surplus. So we will bring the concept of surplus. The consumer surplus for consuming of one quantity, it is given as the benefit, the marginal benefit minus the price he is paying. So he will buy as long as the surplus is positive or 0. So the moment the surplus is 0, he will stop buying. So if you see here, the surplus becomes 0, but you see this, if the quantity consumed is this, the price is 1.4 remains, but the benefit he is getting is lesser. So here the surplus has become negative. So the marginal benefit is less than the price, he will not buy it. Right? So what we are saying is he will continue to consume if the marginal benefit is more than the price. So suppose this is the price level and this is the demand. You will continue to buy till the demand is more than the price, that is your marginal benefit is greater than the price. Here you will not consume, no consumption. Okay, here the consumption will happen. Here you are having surplus, here the surplus is negative. Similarly, from the supplier point of view, if this is the price, this is the supply function, this is your marginal cost, the cost to produce additional unit. So here what is happening is the cost to produce additional unit is increasing. He will produce till here. Here the surplus to the producer was positive. Here this is the price he is getting, this is the cost he is getting. So it's a surplus is negative. So he will produce till this point only. Right? So that is what we are saying. So the marginal benefit is less than the marginal cost. This is the marginal benefit, this is the marginal cost. You will not consume. Here the marginal benefit is greater than the marginal cost. You will consume till the point this price is equal to the quantity.